Good day everyone. I am Lizelle Palomar and I am the next reporter from reporter number 7. So my topic is divided into two subtopics. The first one is the use of non-renewable mineral resources sustainably, and the second one is the Earth's major geological hazard. So I will discuss to you first the use of non-renewable mineral resources sustainably. To begin, let's have a short recap about what is mineral. Mineral is an element or inorganic compound that occurs naturally and is a solid with a regular crystalline structure. Example for that are diamond and quartz. They are naturally formed in the earth. Minerals can be found in different types of rocks. The study of mineral is called mineralogy. Since we're done talking about what is mineral, then let us proceed to what are mineral resources. Mineral resources are rocks mined from the earth and used in products we use daily. It is a rock enriched in one or more useful materials called minerals. In simple words, mineral resources are rocks that contain numbers of minerals. Examples of mineral resources are metallic mineral resources, non-metallic mineral resources, and ores. For metallic mineral resources, examples for it are iron, copper, and aluminum. For non-metallic, these are salt, clay, sand, phosphates, and soil. Ores is a rock that contains enough of one or more metallic minerals to be mined for a profit. What are the use of minerals? So we need minerals to make cars, computer appliances, houses, concrete roads, and without minerals, industry would collapse. Minerals can be used in building a house, kitchen, health, and medicine. Since minerals are considered as non-renewable resources, then how can we use them sustainably? There are three possible ways to use mineral resources in a sustainable way. These are substitution, nanotechnology revolution, recycling, and reusing valuable metals. Substitution is the replacement of one thing for another. Instead of using minerals to create products, we have to use another thing. We can use materials like plastics, ceramics, and many more to create a certain products. We can use fiber optic instead of aluminum in making telephone cables. For the nanotechnology revolution, it is same as the substitution, in which we can look for another thing as a replacement for minerals. But their only difference is that in nanotechnology, atoms are needed in order to make a product. So we can use carbon, silicon instead of minerals to produce a product. The third one is the recycling and reusing valuable metals. So it is the simplest way to use mineral resources sustainably. We can recycle and use again those materials that contains minerals, those products that made out of minerals. So we can save money and have less pollution in recycling and reusing valuable metals. And that ends my first topic. Now let us proceed to the second one. What have you observed from the pictures above? Okay, so the pictures above shows the Earth's major geological hazard. But what is geological hazard, or what we call the geohazard? The word geological hazard comes from two words. We have the geo, meaning referring to the earth, and hazard, meaning something that has a potential to cause harm, damage of property, place, or life. So to put it together, geohazard means a geological event that has the potential to both destroy property and cause a loss of life. So the following are the Earth's major geological hazards. Number 1 is the landslide. It is a sliding down of mass of earth or rock from a mountain. So landslide happens when a layer of earth or rock separates from the layer below. Landslide can be triggered by certain geological conditions and hazards such as typhoons, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Human activities may also lead to landslide, like mining, deforestation, and construction of houses and buildings. The second one is the earthquake. It is a shaking of the surface of Earth resulting from a sudden release of energy in the Earth's lithosphere. This shaking can destroy buildings and can kill lives. Number 3 is the volcanic eruptions. Volcanoes erupt when molten rock called magma rises to the surface, and when they erupt, it releases hot and dangerous gases, ashes, lava, and rocks. So these can cause disastrous loss of life and property, especially in the local area. The fourth one is the tsunami. These are the giant waves caused by the earthquakes and volcanic eruptions under the sea. One tsunami incident that I can give you was the tsunami in Japan during 2011, and it has a magnitude of 9.0. So it was the deadliest tsunami incident ever recorded in Japan. The geohazard maps are specialized maps that indicate the hazard susceptibility of areas, so these maps are useful for disaster preparedness and management. We cannot stop natural phenomena from happening, but we can reduce its impact through awareness and education. That would be all. Thank you, and God bless everyone.